Hi everyone, welcome to our channel. In this video, we have an exciting topic to talk about. How to start selling on Facebook Marketplace. Whether you're a seasoned entrepreneur or just starting out on your selling journey, this video is here to equip you with valuable insights on how to effectively tap into vast opportunities offered by Facebook Marketplace. So let's jump right in and discover the key steps and strategies that will set you on the path to becoming a pro seller in no time. Now let's begin. The first step to your journey here is to create a compelling and a trustworthy profile. You need to make sure that your personal information, such as name, your profile picture, and location, accurately represent you as a seller. Additionally, you should consider adding a brief description that highlights your expertise or the types of products that you specialize in. A complete and professional profile will build credibility and attract more potential buyers in the future. So you can begin with going to your web browser and simply go to facebook.com. If you haven't created any Facebook account yet, or if you want to create another account just for your own business or platform, you can actually create a new account here on Facebook. Just simply click on create new account. You can put in your name, your last name, first name, or if it's name of the company, you can just input the name of the company there, your email address. You can create your password and set the birth date or the anniversary of your business. And then you can add whether you're male, female, or custom. So once done, you just click on sign up and then wait for it to fully load. Then once that would be fully loaded, Facebook will be sending a verification code to your email address. All you have to do is go to your email. Once you receive the email from Facebook, just copy the code right here and then go ahead and paste it in the box here at the Facebook tab. So type in the code 61235. Codes here are very different to each other or unique. So make sure you have that correctly so that you'll be able to successfully create your account here. Then once you click on continue, they will confirm that your account has been completed. Just click on OK. And now you'll be logging in with the email address you've used and the password you've created. Once your profile is ready, it's time to list your products on Facebook Marketplace. Take high quality photos of your items, ensuring that they are well lit and showcase any unique features. Write detailed and accurate descriptions that highlight the aspects, conditions, and specifications of each item, whether it's brand new, whether it's used ones, or if it's a pre-loved item. You should write those in the description as well. You should also be transparent about the pricing and include relevant keywords to improve the visibility of your listings. Remember to categorize your products correctly so that you'll be able to reach the right audience for your product. So the first thing you need to do is just simply click on one of the features on the left side panel of the screen and go to Marketplace, and then all you have to do is click on create new listing. Here you have the option either you want to sell your home for rent or for sale, vehicle for sale, or you have an item for sale. So for example, what I'll choose here is item for sale. Just click on it and then you'll be redirected into this page where this is where you will be uploading the photos of your product, uploading the details, the description, and all the basic informations about what your product is. So here, first thing that you'll do is simply upload the photos of the product, whether it's a new product or if you have a pre-loved product that you want to sell that's still with a good value, you can definitely put that on sale here on marketplace, and then you just need to make sure you have proper tagging so that when people will search your product, one of the results would be your product that you've listed here. So once you have uploaded the photo of your product, you set the title. So, for example, you're selling a t-shirt, you say oversized t-shirts or oversized tees with oil painting designs. You can set up the pricing. And as you can see on the right side panel of the screen, this is where you can preview on how the product would look like. So you just keep on filling out the details on the left side panel of the screen. You can set up what the condition of the product is, whether it's new, like new, good, or fair. So if it's new or brand new, click on new, but if it's already being used, you can use the other options depending on how much you've used that specific product. You can set up the size if it's applicable, the color, and the brand as well, if there's any. And then you can even set the material. So the good thing here with selling an item for marketplace, as you continue filling out all the details here on your product that you've listed, it will automatically be added here into your preview or into your composition into your product that you will be selling. So you can add a description, what the product is about. You can even add or the availability would be a single item if it's only a pre-loved item, but if it's something that you produce, you can just use in stock or product in stock or list as in stock rather. So here, this is what I mentioned earlier, where you can input product tags relating to the product that you're selling, whether it's oversized, art, t-shirts, tees, and a lot more. You can set up your inventory, how many products you have in hand, and you can even set your location. Once everything has been filled out here, you can add more photos. You can either add the actual photo of the product if it is already being used, or if it's already a product that you have produced as brand new or you have purchased brand new, you can definitely add actual photos on how it would look like into a mannequin or into a model so that your customers will know on how the product would look like on their end. So you just need to continue with the listing right here. And then once you're done, you just simply click on next. And then once you click on next, they will actually have a prompt whether if you want to boost your listing. So boost your listing is when Facebook will advertise your product into Facebook so that it will gain more customers. When potential buyers show interest in your listing, promptly respond to their inquiries. Communicate clearly and professionally, answering any questions that they may have, providing additional details if needed. Negotiate prices, shipping options, or meetup arrangements courteously. It is important that you establish trust and maintain good communication throughout the selling process. Once the deal is finalized, arrange for a secure payment method and ensure a timely delivery pickup. Once everything is set, you can go ahead and make sure that you disseminate and share your product to your friends, families, or into Facebook as a public product so that not only your friends will know about the product that you're selling, but it also markets other audiences. In this way, this will allow you to gain more potential customers that your product will be sold to. So here you can see that on your listing a product on marketplace, you can actually preview or go to the overview, wherein this is where you can keep track on your product that you're selling, whether were there any clicks into the product that you've listed, how many chats you were needing to answer. You can even see here the seller rating. You can even see there's a button here where you can boost your listing or if you want to add a new listing right here. So on the left side panel of the screen, you can actually go to your listing. That is where you will be able to view the different products that you have listed in your Facebook Marketplace profile. Announcements is where you have any notifications about the product, and insights is for you to keep track on the listings, whether how many clicks has been added, and this is where you will be able to modify as well into your marketplace profile. So this is where you can add a description on what your expertise is, what are the products or what category of products you're selling, so that in that way your customers will know who you are, so that they will have an idea that you are a trusted seller with the product that they will be purchasing. And that's basically it. Hope you like this tutorial, and please don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button. And that's the end of the video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.